Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today's question is, can you calculate how many views your latest status update / LinkedIn post got? Yes, you can. It's very simple. You just have to go to your newsfeed. And the way you do this is you open up your LinkedIn profile. Just click on your avatar in the top right corner on your desktop, then click on View Profile. And then you have to scroll down a little bit. And when you see your dashboard, you want to click on Post Views. This will take you to your own personal newsfeed, meaning this is every content piece that you ever shared on LinkedIn. And then what you want to do is you want to find the post where you want to see your views from. In this case, you see this little graph icon over here, which tells you exactly how many views you have. You click on that and it will open up a little pop-up and you can see exactly how many views you got, how many reshares, how many reactions, how many comments. You can click the show more button. It will be broken down by companies, by job titles, and by location. And that's where you can see how many views each and every one of your LinkedIn posts or status updates, how they were called in the past, got. You don't really have to calculate anything. The only thing you might ever have to calculate is like your total views. If you want to add up all of your different posts, or you want to add up how many views you got in total. If you're using your LinkedIn profile, unfortunately, you have to do that manually. You can use like an Excel spreadsheet and then write down the numbers of each post and see how the numbers have changed. If you do this, for example, on the 1st of every month, you can then calculate how many new views each post got every month and how many views all of your posts that were published in a particular month got in total. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do LinkedIn marketing and how to create a killer LinkedIn content marketing strategy to attract hot and warm leads for your business, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.